Welcome guys, so another weekly off the stream market update. So I'm gonna apologize in advance because I usually do entire top-down analysis, but I just got back from the beach and it's like vacation mode in my head, so I'm gonna feel lazy a bit and I'm just gonna leave all the elements right there. So I'll just explain them. I will not redo them. Thanks guys. Okay, so we have the entire weekly 5-wave structure up, and we took the fibs from the low to the high. Let me just correct this a bit. So we had like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and we took from the start of the bottom to the very top the fibs, and now we have this fib structure that's kind of playing out. Elements we have is this downtrend line, which respects, like, it marks our downtrend. And then we have some weekly and daily supports, resistances and supports marked. And let's mark a fresh weekly support also there. We'll remove this box, we'll draw it back later. So here we kind of have a fresh weekly support. Let's just mark it in the templates. Okay. Sorry guys, just got back from pizza, so kind of gassy. Okay, down to the daily Bitcoin. So what happened here? Well, basically we flushed down this dump. Okay, everybody know it, and now we kind of made a bounce. Okay, so we're kind of making a bounce, and let's check some elements. We have this momentum slowly creeping up, and let's check the RSI. And we have RSI making higher highs, exactly. So it's slowly building. We have building momentum, and we have the histogram, which is very lagging on the daily. But you see this, we're kind of upticking, so we can even get a few downticks of fading volume. Sorry guys, the pizza was really good. But you see this kind of double bottom cross. This is usually like a bullish sign. Okay, see here, double bottom cross, went up, went up, went up, and then came down. So let's just see where's that on the chart. Come on, baby. So that's here. Yeah, so that would be about this area. You know, we had some bounce where alts played really nice. So there's a big chance this was the bottom. Okay, there's a chance this was the bottom, like 17.5. How big of a chance? 50% in my opinion. So calling this the bottom is possible, but we'll never know for sure until price is way higher. So I would not bet everything. There's, like, you see here, some support, 13, 16k, 15k, around that area. So that's an area. If we start, let's say like this. Okay, let's print out a solid game plan. Because if this was the bottom, then high low here at these supports, let's just take this fibs. Okay, you see confluence, guys. Let's just make this exact. Okay, so we have a weekly and daily support which held once. In my opinion, this weekly support held here, it wicked through, came up, came down, tested, kind of closed under but went up. So in my book, this weekly purple line held 19.15. Okay, on the daily it held. So, and we're on the bounce now, and this is, so these fibs are legit because this is, if today, let's say if today's candle closes under 20.8 here, then we can mark these fibs as legit, and we have the golden pocket from 66 to 618 just marked this weekly and daily support. So, and with this fresh support, so this level is more than enough confluence for me to be a higher low. Okay, guys? And if this forms a higher low here with all the other elements, we can take a trade on BTC with stops, wide stops, safe stops underneath 17.5, tight stops on smaller time frames. We can search under these supports when it starts bouncing, if that happens. So if that happens, our trade would be my trade. Well, for the leverage play, first take profit would be 20.8, 22.4, this area 25.6, but legit I would search for this area test 29k pretty, okay, for this zone. And that's a 50% move on BTC. So that means like some other alts will make 2x, 3x, 4x, and that's the summer play we're looking for, okay? Make money and go chill. So that's the quick scoop. Basically, you see this 15k. So let's just sum it up for a recap. The recap is this: Bitcoin pulls down, holds this area, we buy alts, we have our stops under here and partially under there, and if that happens, we take our losses. If it doesn't hold here, then we look at 14 to 15k area, and there we buy big, we buy shitloads, a lot, and if this starts bouncing from any of these fibs and taking out this zone, then we trade up to here. It's really simple, and based on this simple plan, we can execute our alt trades, spot swing alt trades from here to up there and on. I have one Solana active trade going on. It's partially filled, bids waiting. So yeah, I think that's a short recap video of my trading plan, how I will execute it, and how our group will follow it. So give us a like and a share, and comment below if you're interested. Let's chat in the Discord, and have a great working week, and enjoy your summer, boys. See you later.